Welcome to the video. In this video I am going to explain about the PHP switch. PHP switch statement is used to execute one statement from multiple conditions. It works like PHP if else if statement. The important points to be noticed about PHP switch case is the default is an optional statement. Even it is not important that the default must always be the last statement. There can be only one default in a switch statement. More than one default may lead to a fatal error. The third important point is each case can have a break statement which is used to terminate the sequence of statement. The fourth important point is the break statement is optional to use in switch. If break is not used, all the statements will execute after finding matched case value. Fifth important point is PHP allows you to use number, character, string as well as function in switch expression. Nesting of switch statements is also allowed, but it makes the program more complex and less readable. The sixth important point is you can use semicolon instead of colon. It will not generate any error. Now let us understand the switch through a program. Now I will write here age is equal to 27. Now I will write here switch and I will pass that variable age. Now I will write the first case when $age is greater than 0 and $is less than 18, and then echo you are minor. I will break this statement. Second case age is greater than 18 and age less than 70, echo you are adult. Break then default case default echo you are senior citizen. So here the age is 27, so the first case is invalid, so it will go to the second case statement and the condition is true, so it will print you are adult. Let's save and see this output. Yes, you are adult. We get the expected output. This is an example of a switch using an integer. Now let's see an example using string. Branch is equal to cs, then in switch let's pass this variable branch and case cs, then echo computer science, then break, then write a second case is, then echo information science, then default case will be neither computer science nor information science. So it will generate a output cs computer science. Let's see it output. Yes, it will generate a computer science. If I write here is, it will generate information science. Let's see its output. Yes, information science. Here break is not used, so it prints this statement without checking the condition. Let's break this, then it will print information science. If I write here me, it will not match any of the cases, so the default statement will be executed, that is neither computer science nor information science. Let's save and see its output. Yes, neither computer science nor information science. So this is an example of a switch using a string. This is all about this video. In the next video I am going to explain about for control statement in PHP. Thank you for watching Technology 0 to 1.